Well, hello everyone. We're here for a much briefer version of one of our usual crafting things with our Make It Miniverse, Make It Mini lifestyle. We are still endeavoring to get a fish or something. Ah! Oh my god, no! A bunny lady. Sorry. I'm too strong for this. But look at how cute she looks with the stuff from Make It Mini. I permanentified the plant ones. And if we get another plant, which I hope we don't, but if we do get another plant, I will show you how to properly cement them in place. But I am going to get the plastic off of these first and open them with you because I don't think we need to watch me unwrap another one of those. But I just wanted to point out how cute they look with the Calico Critters. Some of them are not to scale, but Calico Critters aren't to scale either. She likes planting her plants. That's all we can say about it. All right, let me get these unwrapped and I will open them with you. Now, this might end up being a very short unboxing because if any of these end up being duplicates, I will not be doing them again. I will send them to a friend so that they can also enjoy this super fun process. So let's see who we got. It's another plant. I swear to you, these plants are going to be the most common. And here's my theory. So no, we failed the video already. Now, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different kinds of plants. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 kinds of turtle and animal. There's 2, 4, 6 kinds of candle. So these are, in fact, the most common. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but I would like to get something other than a plant. And we have... Oh! We got something other than a plant. I think we got another candle, perhaps. Maybe? Oh my god, it might be an animal. Oh my god, I think it's an animal. Animal! Animal! We got an animal. We can mark it on our chart. Look. One more plant. Check. One more animal. Check. We're going to see how our odds are as we continue opening these. All right. I guess I'll just assemble them and you can watch. Okay, well, as you saw, we got a duplicate aloe, so I figured I might just unwrap this slowly so that you can hear the wonderful crinkliness. These are paper packaging, which I really like. What is this going to be? Oh my god, it's going to be an animal plastic bag. How can I cut this plastic bag? No! No! I can't open that. It's too adorable. Oh, the little bag. You could make a whole little fish shop. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Okay. Okay. Since I know that this is going to have resin, and oh, here's the water. Aqua Sun H2O. Salt water. That's good. That is scientifically correct. Okay, this is resin, so I'm going to let it sit here upside down because it takes forever. If you watched my last candle video, you'll understand. Okay, I was hoping that the plastic would be a little more crystal clear than the plastic for the aloe, but it's not. That's okay. I was just hoping. Fresh versus salt water. Very cute. Aqua Sun. Turtley awesome. And here's the little species. Find your match. What does this say? The cool guy is the tang. The team players are goldfish. All right, well, that's absolutely precious as usual. Okay, so we have our fish, and we have our bowl, and all of the other accoutrements. We have also, oh gosh, I'm trying to keep this up. And we have the tongs, and this is just all of our normal stuff. So I'm going to get that out of here. And then this must be our pebbles, or home for our fish. Oh my god, no! No! No, the tiny coral. Stop. pebbles. No. Illegal. Illegal. And I know little box. No. I have to take a minute. Okay, I calmed myself, and for once I wasn't a heathen, and I went and cut out the little actual, the recipe for it. So, it looks like, and since this does this in reverse, they want you to put in 3/5 of the bag? A third of the bag? That's not clear. Okay. And then we're supposed to affix the fish to the little stand, which, by the way, I thought was a pen cap, and I nearly threw it away. Thought it was a pen cap. It might be a pen cap, to be perfectly honest with you. Anyway, don't throw that away. If you don't lose that getting it out, I will be shocked. And then we add more water once they're kind of in there. Oh, so steps 3 and 5. So step 3, we're filling up just over the sand and then hardening it so that they don't leave. And then we add the last bit. All right, well, let's do that. Okay, a recap of what you just witnessed. That was not great. If I could give you any advice, I'm just letting this continue to cure because generally, as a rule, UV resin is not something that you want to pour in very thick quantities. Oh, also, this is just a pen cap. I'm just nuts. It just was the same color as that, so I naturally assumed it went together. But I put the clam coral friend too close to the side, so that was my mistake, resulting in me having to do all that stabbing you saw with a needle. I ended up fixing it pretty well, actually. It looks pretty darn good from the top, and I don't mind the one little bubble for our fish friend, but look at a little fishy! And they gave you plenty of water in this one. They did a great job on the quantity of the materials. Really happy with that. Another thing I'll note, I figured out you can just cut a little slit at the back of the bag and then it leaves the bag intact if you would like to use it for staging any of your dioramas or dollhouses. This was very easy to save and the baggie is so cute. Ignore that. Put your own sticker over it. You could fill it with like little candies or anything. Gifts in your dollhouse. This particular piece of plastic is so pleasurable to me. And then look at this little one. You just put little snacks in there or something. God, it's so cute. And then also, if you're a person who likes to buy filtered water, which is a big thing in some of the Central and South American countries, is to buy bottled water. You would not buy bottled salt water, but if you get any of the freshwater fish, these would be adorable sitting in a little pantry of a really cheerful, like, children's dollhouse or any kind of diorama. But I just love it, and I hope you do too. And again, generally UV resin, you don't want to do this thick ever, never in one pour. And if you do, you're going to want to let that settle and just like let it sit for quite some time. Let all the bubbles come to the top. Again, I'm very happy with this absolutely adorable and pretty nicely painted for how itsy bitsy it is. We do still have a bit of a bubble over here, but I will live with it because I'm so happy with my little fishy. We finally got a fish. I love him. Please check out my other videos, and we have more of these coming because I have no impulse control, and I was up very late at night. Anyway, I'm very grateful for you watching, and I hope you'll check out some of my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!